what? Can you get it up for me? That's what happened. The fish slashed. Oh, it's the baby. It's the baby fishy. He swallowed it. Back for me. Got him? Quiet. Okay, Evan, you gotta go in front of your mom a bit. And then just leave your rod to... So he keeps coming top of the water? Thank you. Excuse me, Megan. Where's your line, Evan? Are you gonna hold that for me? Thanks, Megan.
It's a little one.
Is it caught in the net again?
It's adorable.
It is, eh? Have the net, Evan, please.
Mommy, look at a couple. Double header? Is that a double header? There's your couple.
You have that cracker in your mouth before you bring the fish in. Get some energy. How does it feel? Yeah? That head shake I just saw?
Not my pipe finish.
Ooh, nice. Okay, leave it in the water still. Don't pull it out like that. Leave it in the water still. There we go. I got one too, I think. Am I hitting bottom? Bottom. It feels like a keeper. Get it in the water. It's a good keeper, eh? Oh, it's off. Oh, it's still there. It might have just been in the weeds. It's a pike in the weeds.
I do not know where water is, Mommy.
Don't you get my line just like Evan's, you little bugger. Lift it up, please, Evan. Yep. You get ready, Evan. Pushing that in the water. I don't like doing that. It's quite a bit bigger actually. Once Megan's in, bring in the thing, Megan.
That's it.
I'm gonna put it in neutral. Oh yeah, look at that, Ash. It's a heftier fish. Oh, that's a nice fish. See the shadow? Look at that, Ash.
Oh.
See it? Stand up and look at it.
It looks pretty good.
It's a nice size. It could be at least a 20.
I think so.
Great net job, buddy.
Stay like that. I'll take a picture of you.
Look at this beauty. Beauty.
I dare you to kiss him.
You had a good fight.
I see him. You go to the washroom, Daddy. Your GoPro still on? Oh my God.
Gotta wait till we get to land.
Whoa, I see.
There he goes. Swimming straight down.
He's not swimming.
Yes, he is. He's down on the bottom.
Mom.
There we go. Ooh. Feisty little fella.
Good job, Kodak.
Just barely hooked.
Good job.
Good dog. The dog wasn't here, I wouldn't have to. There
Thank you, thank you.
Girl, Kodak. Good.
Another nice hefty one, eh?
we go.
Nice size.
Yeah,
Another 17.
I think
Can
so.
we bring the dogs to look? That's me.
Keep reeling. Yeah. Oh yeah, nice one. Okay, stop. Get it.
Nice fish, Evan. Whoa, what a dance.
Let's practice it now. Let them, no more, don't reel in anymore, okay? You don't reel in anymore. You just play with the rod. Yeah, he did. Here, Evan.
Other side, Sam.
Keep reeling. Rod tip up, higher. Reel, reel, reel. Something there, just small. So let's practice this time, okay? Okay, stop reeling, and I'll move your rod to manipulate it.
Closer, yeah.
You can reel a bit more there. There you go. There you go.
Where are you, little fella?
Scoop. It's a big fish, Evan.
Oh, get it.
How big is it?
Oh, good job, Megan. Teamwork.